Welcome guys to Technical Resources Green Energy. Today I'm going to talk about stepper motors. A stepper motor is an electrical mechanical device that converts electrical pulse into precise mechanical movement. Unlike regular motors that spin continuously when powered, stepper motors move in a discrete steps following accurate control of position, speed and rotation without the need for feedback sensors. They are widely used in applications where precise position is crucial, such as we have got the 3D printers, CNCs, machines, robotics, and camera platforms. These stepper motors are driven by digital pulse for controller, with each pulse moving the shaft by its fixed angle, which is called a step angle, which determines the motor's resolution. The advantage includes high accuracy, repeatable and reliable, making them an ideal for automation and control system where exact movement is essential. So guys, I just want you to sit tight and just have a look at my animation sketch of how this stepper motors works.